For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Ayudha Puja is being celebrated in several parts of India. People throng markets to buy decorative items like flowers, banana branches as part of the festivities. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the festivities have been limited in public places. People decorated their vehicles, shops and establishments on the auspicious occasion. Devotees also thronged temples on the last day of Navratri. In Mysuru, titular King Yaduvir performed Ayudha Puja in the palace. Only limited people were allowed inside the place to stop the spread of coronavirus. Yaduvir also performed puja to weapons and vehicles belonging to the royal family. The titular king also received customary guard of honor in the palace premises. Elephants were decked up on the occasion. Priests performed puja to the animals ahead of Jambu Savari, which is scheduled on Monday. What was shocking was people thronged markets without taking any kind of precautions in Mysuru and Bengaluru. Several people were seen buying flowers and fruits without wearing masks. Social distancing was not at all maintained in these places. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh too conducted Ayudha Puja or Shastra Puja at Sukna War Memorial in Darjeeling. Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Naravane and several senior officers of the army were present on the occasion. Singh's Shastra Puja at the strategically important military base comes at a time when India and China are engaged in a bitter standoff in eastern Ladakh for over 5 months. Traditionally, weapons used by soldiers are worshipped on this day. In the olden days, the kings and their army would worship their weapons that shielded them from their enemies. However, in modern times, artisans, technicians, sculptors, industrialists, factory owners, mechanics, etc. worship instruments, machines, equipment, tools and other items that help them in their day-to-day lives to earn their livelihood. On this day, people who own vehicles also perform puja of their vahana to eliminate evil spirit and prevent any untoward incidents. Thus, by performing puja, devotees express gratitude to these inanimate but essential equipments that help them sustain and prosper. Legends suggest that it is an ideal way to be grateful to anything and everything that aids one's living.